this unit is a corrector. When you roll the material, and you can adjust the corrector to the center, and click this button. This is menu mode, and then click this button is make the corrector to the center. This is also have the value 50%. That means the corrector that is located at the center. Or you can adjust twist this screw to这个怎么调嘞？这个2个。Only see the above value 50%. That means the corrector is at the center. That is okay.